62% of seniors are on Facebook, and so a Facebook portal will keep you connected no matter where they live. Similar to FaceTime, the desktop video screen uses facial recognition to keep the person on camera even if they move across the room. If someone else comes into the room, the camera zooms out, so everyone's in the picture. So it feels more like you're actually there. The calls are placed using Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp, so you can use a smartphone or tablet. It has Alexa built in, so there's more functionality than just the video calling. This gadget has impressed some older relatives who complain about not being able to understand what someone's saying on television. The ZVox AccuVoice soundbar will lower the sound of car chases, explosions, and music and boost the volume of what the actors are saying. Just listen to the difference.
Opinions.
Really? When was your last contact with Sol Guerrero?
You control how much you need to raise the dialogue with a remote. It's a good surround sound speaker, too, if you want the full effect of the movie's soundtrack. It connects with just an optical cable. If they're always asking for pictures, a digital picture frame makes a great gift. Nixplay and PhotoSpring allow you to send new pictures to their frame from your smartphone. You can even set it up so that every photo you take is uploaded to their frame automatically. Not that that's a good idea. Best of all these gadgets, well, they just work. They only have to be set up one time, and they're very simple to use. You don't have to do anything after you get them set up, and that is very important for anyone who isn't exactly comfortable using tech gadgets. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.